Welcome to Anil TV channel. Today's our topic is parts of speech. So there are 8 kinds of parts of speech: noun, pronoun, verb, adverb, adjective, preposition, conjunction, interjections. So these in that 8 parts we have different. Now noun is converted into 4 parts. In briefly we will discuss later. First, simply what is the noun? Noun is nothing but it denotes the name of a person or a place or thing, etc. Example, Raju. Raju is nothing but it is a name. Delhi is the name of the place. So pen is nothing but it is a thing. So these all are comes under noun. So now next topic is pronoun. Pronoun is used instead of a noun. So here he, she, they, him, her, etc. are all comes under pronoun. సో పేరు కాకుండా వేరేది యూజ్ చేయడానికి ఆమె అతను అంటారు కదా, దట్ ఈస్ నథింగ్ బట్ ఇట్ ఈస్ కాల్డ్ యాజ్ ప్రొనౌన్. సో verbs is nothing, it has different types of verbs. So it describes an action or a statement or an experience. So here verb, nothing but examples are leave, walk, wake up. These all are comes under examples, comes under verb. So now next fourth one is adverb. So adverbs is nothing but it modifies the noun. So it modifies the verb. What the verb is there, it modifies that one. So here write is a verb. How he is writing, fastly or slowly, that all comes under adverb. So simply ly is added to adverb. So it is a word that modifies a verb. So here slowly, fastly, here ly is added. So this is nothing but it is a adverb. So adjective. Adjective is nothing but it denotes the quality of a noun, means it adds some information about the noun. So noun or pronoun. So here you see beautiful, interesting. So here rose is a flower. We know that rose is a flower, but how rose is a beautiful flower, means here beautiful is nothing but it is an adjective. So now let us comes to preposition. Preposition, it is known, it is also called as a helping verb. So here without prepositions, without auxiliary verbs, we can't make any sentences. So it is a word that relates to two elements, noun or noun phrase. So or verb phrase, preposition and preposition. So at, on, in, from, after, before, that all are comes under preposition. Now next comes to conjunction. So here conjunction is nothing but it is used to connect the sentences. So it is used to link words, phrases or sentences. Any two sentences or any two statements, we can connect it with the help of conjunction only. So what are the examples of conjunction are and, but, still, or, etc. That all are comes under conjunctions. So now next one is interjection. So interjection, it is used to express a sudden feelings of emotions, excitement, sorrow, etc. It is followed by an exclamatory mark, is nothing but. So here sudden expressions, how we feel suddenly, how the expressions change in the faces, that all comes under interjections. Examples ha, wow, re, wow, etc. all are comes under interjection.